this video, I'm going to show you everything that you receive with your Antonia dresser and how to assemble it step by step. There's only 4 steps, so it's very simple, and they give you all the tools you need, so don't worry if you're not a handyman or handywoman, they make it very simple. Step number 1 is connecting the outer support to the top of the dresser, and this is just a few screws that go right into the wood. Step number 2 is finishing the top half of the drawer. So this is just 2 pieces that need to be screwed in with only 2 bolts each, so it's very simple to do. And now we can move on to the 3rd step, which is just finishing the frame. This is just putting the bottom drawers in, which is 3 pieces that connect together with a few bolts, and just like that, your entire frame is assembled. Now we can move on to the final step, which is just putting those drawers in, and the dresser will be finished. So overall, this is super simple to do. All the pieces are labeled really clearly. The instructions make it very obvious what to do and easy. I'm no handyman, but I was able to get this done by myself in about 30 minutes. So I was super happy with that. So with the ease of assembly, the affordability of this, I'm super happy with my purchase. I give it 2 thumbs up.